Well, those against Austin's public camping ban surrounded City Hall with tents on Friday night into today. And that protest comes in response to the passage of Proposition B, which reinstates the camping ban and reintroduces a criminal penalty for offenders. Signs reading "Criminalization kills," "Housing for all," and "What would City Council do without their homes?" were seen on some of those tents. The ban goes into effect on Tuesday. The city manager said the ban will be phased in and it will be in a safe and humane manner.